Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to do Facebook live stream on mobile phone. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do a Facebook live stream on mobile phone, just follow these steps. Now open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Then here on your profile picture, next to it, just tap on what's on your mind. Then from the options that appear, select live video. So if prompted, grant the app permissions to access your camera and microphone. So here you can write catchy title and description for your live video to let people know what it's about. And then choose the privacy settings for your video. You can make it public, visible only with friends, or you can tag with friends, or unfriends except acquaintances, or even in the group. Then next here is you can see that you can also rotate the camera. You can put stickers. And you can put some effects. You can also put some text and just explore it whenever you want. You can also set a date, the event name, and starting date and time if you want it to be scheduled. But if you want to begin your live stream right now, just press go live. And now we are being live. So when you're done, tap finish to end the video. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection and a good lighting when you're doing a Facebook live stream. Also, keep in mind that the video will be visible to anyone who can see your profile or page. So be careful about sharing personal information or sensitive content. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!